Eric's just doing some photos. My hand is like shaking. Oh my god. I'm so nervous.
I'm nervous too. That was so nerve-wracking. Holy crap.
Gosh. Yay!
We're engaged. On top of a hill. We're so weird right now.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here really quickly to announce that Eric and I recently just got engaged. I know a lot of you guys already saw my ring in the past couple videos and we're all wondering, so this is my official announcement. I do plan on making my wedding dress. That's been the #1 question that everyone's been wanting to know, and a bunch of other wedding related DIY videos. So let me know down in the comments what videos you're most interested in seeing. As for Eric's proposal, it happened out in the desert and it was just the two of us, so it was perfect. And I'm gonna save the details for our second channel, the Coolirpa show, because after this, we're gonna both film a Q&A together. So if you guys are interested in hearing about it, then you can head over there and be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video and for all the congratulations wishes. We're both so excited. We've only just started planning, so there's a lot to do and look forward to, and we're excited to share this next chapter of our lives with you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!